again, I have 2 boxes. I am going to start doing these versus boxes a little more often with my subscriptions, just to compare the two when they're the same price. I have here Birchbox and the Allure Beauty Box. Now I know you're probably thinking, well, isn't Birchbox $10? No, not anymore actually. Now I am still paying the $10 because I am an ace. I don't know how much longer that's gonna last, but I am an ace and I was able to keep my $10 a month subscription. What they did is they improved their boxes, or at least they're going to be continuously improving their boxes. They're going to give more options. They're going to give, you know, better samples, better curation. If you are a new subscriber, it is going to be $15 a month. It's cheaper if you purchase a few months in advance. If you're an existing subscriber but you're a non-ace, effective on June 1st, you'll be paying $13 a month. Again, this would be cheaper if you pay for more months up front. And like I said, if you're an ace, you'll continue to pay $10 a month as long as you maintain your ace status. And I know to maintain ace status, I believe it's $300 a year that you have to spend in the Birchbox shop. And then you're usually an ace for 2 years. I am still paying the $10, but I am considering this a $15 a month subscription. The Allure Beauty Box is also $15 a month. So we're gonna compare the two. You can receive your first Allure Beauty Box for $10 and get a free new member gift. I'm going to go with the Birchbox first and show you what is in there. So this is the box for the month of April. I think it's very pretty. The quality feels pretty good. It has like a textured lid. The back of it always has the little B for Birchbox, and then it says magic inside. When you open it up, you will always see a little card at the top, and usually it will give you a theme. Now it looks like this because this is the beginning of their new Birchbox. So it looks like they just made it very simple. They put, this is the beginning of the new Birchbox experience and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. So like it, hate it, we want to know, text us. And then they give a phone number. On the other side, you'll always have a list of your products with the full-size prices. And they did include a $15 off your next order coupon in my box. Now it's 15 off 60, and it is only good until April 30th. This is new as well. They never put tissue paper before. So the first product here, I have actually gotten this brand in Birchbox before. This is the number 4 Sugar Texturizing Spray. This is a 1 fluid ounce size. It looks like the full size is $22. Rather than salt, this spray uses sugar as a texturizing agent to achieve soft, undone beachy waves. Spritz onto damp or dry strands, then style. So this is good if you are just going to air dry your hair. The next thing is from Allure Beauty. This is the Lip Retreat Oil. Now I really wanted the clear, but this is in the shade Spa Day. The full size is $22. It says packed with a blend of oils that firm and moisturize your lips. This berry shade glides on to give you all-day hydration, bold color payoff, and subtle shine. That is what the shade looks like. I will swatch it. So this is the shade right here. It's very glossy. It feels very hydrating. I'm okay with it. I will try it. There's not a lot of products in here, so I'll definitely use this up. This next product is from the brand Air Repair. It's a super hydrating eye cream. The full size is $24.50. This potent cream reduces puffiness, hydrates skin, smooths fine lines, and soothes your under eye area for a bright-eyed look in seconds. I actually really love this brand very much. I've tried their serum, I've tried their moisturizer, and now I get to try their eye cream. Oh, I actually tried their facial mist as well. So far, I love everything. Price is very reasonable. So it is just a regular white cream, and it does give a very sheer luminosity. I mean, you can't really see it on camera, but it feels really nice. It's very lightweight. This next product is from Philosophy. I haven't gotten a Philosophy product in a long time. This is the Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker Primer. I didn't even know they had primers. The full size is $38. Blur the appearance of pores and create a smooth base for makeup application with this primer that also visibly fills in wrinkles. Apply a thin layer after moisturizing. So this is the size. It's not too bad. I thought it was gonna be a really, really tiny sample. I know it was in a box, but I really wish it was sealed. So it's not really what I expected. It's kind of like a gel looking. Let's see. It definitely has that silicone slip. Oh, so I don't know how I feel about this. I've kind of been trying to stay away from these silicone primers because not for nothing, they make me more oily throughout the day. This next thing I was actually really excited to get. This is from Smashbox and it's the Super Fan Mascara. I know this is pretty new. The full size is $19, featuring a 360-degree precision double bristle brush. This flexible mascara creates volume and length for a wide-eyed effect with just a single stroke. So I think this is a very, very good size. I got a lot of mascaras this month, but I don't mind it. I love trying multiple mascaras at once, but I am not going to open this only because I'm trying about 6 right now. So I don't want to open and dry this one out. And then the last but not least was my sample choice. And this is a first for Birchbox. This is the Sunday Riley Luna Retinol Sleep-In Night Oil. The full size is $105. This cult favorite retinol oil reduces the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and redness over time. Start by applying a few drops after moisturizing twice a week and work up to more. This is a very good beginner retinol because there's only a very small percentage of retinol in here. So if you're really looking to try a retinol product, I really recommend trying this out. It is a pretty small size. I mean, it's a 5 milliliter size, but you really only need the smallest amount. So that's everything in the April Birchbox. I don't know if this would be worth $15. I mean, the brands are starting to get a little more high end. So we will see as this continues. So now that we're done with Birchbox, let's get into the Allure Beauty Box. Like I said before, this is a $15 a month subscription. One of my products, yet again, came broken. So when you open it up, the first thing you're gonna see is the pamphlet. The April box was actually curated by Carly Bible. She is a YouTuber. So they started sending these bags and I do not like them. Every single bag I received came ripped. Now, it's really funny because this one did not come ripped for this month. Instead, one of my products came broken. Now, the first product I am very excited about is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. This is the full size, valued at $20. So this is the shade and I absolutely love it. Now these are the shades that I usually go for. So I'm very, very happy that it's not like a red or a brown. I feel like that's all we ever get. This is definitely a shade I love to reach for. So I'm really happy to have this. The next thing is actually just a little travel size. This is from Briogeo. This is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protected Cream. The full size is $24. I'm not sure what the full size is, but what we received is 0.75 fluid ounces. This next thing I'm really just not into at all. This is from Vita Liberata. It's the Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths. You can get a pack of 8 for $25 or a pack of 16 for $39. They do give us 2 of them. So I might try it on my legs. I'm not sure. This next thing looked pretty interesting. It's from Laura Geller. It's the New York Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Now, I got mine in Brown Eyed Girl, but I know that they were sending a lot of different shades. It has this little gripper here. So it has like almost like a pen, like when a pen has a grip. This went on so smooth, I barely had to press down. I actually would love one of these in black. This is $22. The next product that we received, which I think they had a variation. Not everybody got this Luxie brush, but this is a Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. I don't know if I actually have this. This is actually valued at $12. And now the most exciting yet most disappointing product in my box is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow. Now the shades may vary. I ended up getting mine in 124K bronzage. Mine came broken. Now if I turn this upside down, all of this is gonna fall out. I am really trying to kind of pack it in there so that it does not, so that I can salvage it. But I already reached out to Allure. I called them and I spoke to a representative and they are sending me a replacement. This is valued at $27. It's so creamy. I mean, it's amazing. Look at that. How amazing is that eyeshadow? I'm so disappointed that it's broken, but I'm still going to use it. This is not going to go to waste. They are going to send me a replacement. We'll see how long it takes. But in the meantime, I will use this. So we ended up receiving this. I'm going to consider this a full-size product at $27. This is valued at $12. This is valued at $22. Then we have the liquid lipstick at $20. Then we have these two products that are not full size. So in my opinion, this is not bad for $15. Let me know what you guys think down below about these two boxes. Let me know what you think about the pricing and how Birchbox changed. I will have a link for both subscriptions down below, so if you want to check them out or sign up, then go right ahead. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Feel free to share this video. I always appreciate the support. Also, follow me on Instagram. That will be down below as well. It is skincare_glam. But until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.